In this video tutorial, I'm sharing numerous tips and tricks that will surely benefit you. I created this piece as a part of my personal learning journey, and now, I'm delighted to share it with you, especially if you're a beginner in graphic design. By watching the full video, you'll get a comprehensive view of the step-by-step process I followed to bring this art to life. Feel free to leave your thoughts and suggestions in the comments. Your feedback is highly valuable. Additionally, if you're interested in the PSD file for the pre-cut elements, don't hesitate to contact me through my social media accounts. I'm here to assist you and other beginners in your creative endeavors. Thank you for joining me, and I'm excited to see your creations. I hope you've learned something new from this tutorial. Please consider sharing the link to this tutorial with other aspiring designers. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Thank you for joining us, and happy designing.